Do you know the rules of the road? Not knowing them is a critical mistake. Hi, I'm your driving instructor. Join us today to drive safely and avoid fines. Today, we'll practice an important task, knowing what to do when you hear or see an emergency vehicle. It's simple but useful for both experienced drivers and beginners. Here's the task. What should you do if you are at an intersection and hear the siren of an emergency vehicle? The options are: move to the right and stop in the intersection. Continue through the intersection, then move left and stop. Continue through the intersection, then move right and stop. Take a moment to think it over. Pause the video, make your choice, and write your answer in the comments. At the end, we'll go over the correct solution. I hope you've had time to make your decision. Let's break it down. In the picture, we see two cars. The white car is already at the intersection, and an emergency vehicle with flashing lights and a siren is approaching from the left. What should you do? The most important thing to remember is never to block the intersection, even if an emergency vehicle is approaching. If you're already in an intersection when you hear or see an emergency vehicle, you should continue through the intersection, then move to the right and stop as soon as possible. This clears the way for the emergency vehicle. The reason you continue through the intersection first is that it's dangerous to stop in the middle of the intersection while an emergency vehicle is coming. You need to avoid blocking traffic and creating a potential hazard. Moving to the right after passing through the intersection allows other vehicles to follow and makes it easier for the emergency vehicle to pass. So the correct answer is number 3. If you selected this option, congratulations. You've got it right. Driving safely means understanding these situations and reacting correctly. Stay aware of your surroundings and remember that emergency vehicles need to pass quickly to save lives. Following the rules will help you avoid fines and, more importantly, keep everyone safe. For more driving tips and lessons, make sure to subscribe to my channel. This way, you'll always know how to drive safely and avoid common mistakes. Drive carefully and take care.